Welcome back to Dinar Current. Did the Iraqi dinar already revalue ... and we missed it? That's the question a lot of investors, currency watchers, and even skeptics are asking right now. Rumors are swirling, speculation is heating up, and many are wondering if something big happened behind closed doors. In today's video, we'll break down the facts, explore the latest developments, and reveal whether the dinar really revalued, or if it's just another wave of hype. Stay with me before diving into the rumors. Let's clarify what a revaluation actually is. In simple terms, a currency revaluation happens when a country's central bank intentionally increases the value of its currency relative to other currencies. This is often done to fight inflation, attract investment, or reflect new economic strength. In the case of the Iraqi dinar, the dream for many investors is that the dinar, currently worth just a fraction of a US dollar, would suddenly jump in value, potentially making holders of the currency a fortune overnight. But has this really happened? So why are people asking this question now? It all started with some recent online buzz posts on social media, dinar forums, and a few sketchy news sites claiming the Iraqi dinar has revalued behind the scenes. Some claimed that large transactions were occurring at different rates in private bank channels. Others pointed to recent changes in Iraq's banking system, foreign exchange agreements, and even speculative contracts in Dubai and the Gulf. But here's the reality. There's been no official announcement from the Central Bank of Iraq. Major financial institutions, such as the IMF, World Bank, and U.S. Treasury, have not confirmed any revaluation. And exchange rates on platforms like xe.com/forex.com and major banks remain unchanged. So, what's really going on? While no revaluation has occurred, at least officially, Iraq has made moves that are worth paying attention to. Digital banking reforms. The country has begun enforcing strict KYC rules and limiting dollar smuggling. Iraq has been working closely with the IMF and U.S. officials to modernize its banking sector. USD to dinar cracking down. The government has restricted the use of the U.S. dollar in local transactions to stabilize its own currency and curb black market exchanges. Economic agreements. Iraq has signed several new oil contracts with China and Turkey, aiming to strengthen foreign reserves. The government also plans to de-dollarize trade in the region, a step toward currency independence. All these developments are steps in the direction of economic growth and potential revaluation, but none of them point to a secret RV that already happened. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Could Iraq secretly revalue its currency and keep it under wraps? Short answer, highly unlikely. Here's why. Reevaluations are global financial events. That would cause financial chaos. They require coordination with international banks, trade partners, and regulatory bodies. Any major currency change would impact oil pricing, contracts, trade deals, and foreign reserves. You can't hide that from markets. If the dinar revalued quietly, it would immediately trigger arbitrage opportunities, meaning people would start buying low and selling high instantly. Bottom line, there's no way a major revaluation could occur silently. Instead of chasing rumors, here's what smart investors are watching. Official announcements from the Central Bank of Iraq. Currency reforms that reduce corruption and stabilize local markets. Oil pricing changes tied to dinar-denominated contracts. IMF and World Bank reports showing Iraq's growth metrics and financial readiness. Major institutions haven't moved, and Iraq has made no declaration. Also, watch for Iraq's next budget proposal, as any major revaluation would likely be accompanied by policy signals and international consultation. So, did the Iraqi dinar already revalue? And we missed it? No. There is no official evidence that a revaluation has taken place. Exchange rates remain the same. That doesn't mean things aren't shifting behind the scenes. Iraq is taking measured steps toward economic reform. And while a sudden RV may still be speculation, a long-term currency strengthening is more realistic. If you're holding Iraqi dinar, the best move is to stay informed, stay skeptical, and stay patient. Avoid falling for clickbait or sketchy intel groups. Always look for verified information, and remember, real wealth moves slowly, not in viral rumors. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more dinar updates, and leave a comment below. Do you think the dinar will revalue in 2025 or beyond? Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your money.